right now, the Menendez brothers are appearing in court for the first time in decades. Erik and Lyle Menendez killed their parents in the late 1980s. They're no longer young men. They're now in their 50s. There is a lot of attention on this hearing that could finally lead to their freedom. Only 16 seats were offered to the public in the LA courtroom through a lottery, and there were a lot of people gathered outside. This is within the last hour, this video here outside of the courtroom. A lot of spectators and a lot of media as well. The brothers are currently serving life sentences without the possibility of parole for the murders of their parents. ABC 10 News reporter Yasmin Ludi joins us live from Donovan State Prison to break down today's hearing and what it means for the brothers. Yasmin.
Good morning, Mel. Yes, Erik and Lyle Menendez are here at Donovan, and they are facing a judge during a virtual court appearance. Now, this hearing is focused on December's resentencing hearing, which is set for December 11th. Now, I spoke with the criminal defense attorney, and he says if this crime were happening today, it would likely be a different situation.
What we've seen in the last couple of years, a lot of progressive movement into youth offender parole. And in this situation, both brothers were under the age of 25 at the time these murders or the time these crimes were committed. So they normally would be eligible for youth offender parole.
Criminal defense attorney David P. Shapiro says today will decide whether both parties are ready to go, how many witnesses they are going to need, and how long this will take so all parties can prepare accordingly before December. Next month's hearing was set when LA District Attorney George Gascon filed a petition asking a judge to resentence the brothers. That's when the judge will decide whether the special circumstances murder conviction should go away.
What was so significant about the district attorney's recommendation, and assuming the judge goes with that as it relates to changing the sentence, you gotta understand, they're still going to be convicted of first-degree murder, but it takes away the special circumstances. It then makes them parole eligible. Then they're eligible for youthful offender parole.
There's a new DA now because Gascon lost in November, so it remains to be seen if that will change anything. And there's also a hearing set for tomorrow where they are presenting new evidence to the court, and they're asking the court to modify the brothers' sentence to make them parole eligible. Reporting live in front of Donovan, Yasmin Ludi, ABC 10 News.
Yasmin, thank you so much. And today is mostly a procedural step. Still a lot of attention, though, on this, in part because of the recent Netflix show about Erik and Lyle Menendez, reaching a whole generation of people who are maybe too young to remember the brothers' original conviction. Now, new LA District Attorney-elect Nathan Hochman will take charge of this case once he officially takes office on December 3rd. This morning, he spoke about what he'll be looking at in this 34-year-old case.
I don't have access to many of those documents at this point. But if it does go forward, I'll try to be ready by December 11th. If I'm not ready by December 11th, I'm not going to ask for delay for delay's sake. I'll go ahead and expeditiously review all these records and be ready to defend whatever position I take in a court of law.
And December 11th is fast approaching. There was a push for Governor Newsom to grant clemency for the brothers, but Newsom has said that he will not decide that until Hochman reviews this case.